give a special thanks to Just Play for sending these products to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today, we are adding to our Hairdorables collection. I know it's been a minute and we totally need to catch up. We have the Scented series and the Hair Art series. The Scented series came out a while back and the Hair Art series is new. Let's start with the Scented series. Currently at Walmart.com, this has a price of $12.88. There are 11 surprises inside, new reusable case. On the back, there are 39 dolls to collect in this series. The surprises include a collector list, reusable case, shoes, 1 accessory, 2 accessories, 3 accessories, a brush, 3 stickers, and a doll in outfit. Who will you get? Yep, these are surprise dolls, so you don't know who you're gonna get. And that means there is a possibility you could get doubles. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic, remove the rest of the packaging. This is a pretty cute case. You can see Noah in the center with her hair draped around her. It says Hairdorables at the bottom. There's a handle at the top. It looks like a braid. On the back, it says, "Big hair, don't care." I love that the case is reusable. It makes the doll portable, so you can take it wherever you go. Let's open this. It opens at the top. The front folds down to reveal the surprises. Let's just go ahead and take everything out of the case to reveal a backdrop. That's pretty cute. I've always loved the Hairdorables backdrops, but I do need to put something behind it to prop it up. This doll beanbag should work. Now let's check out the surprises. Of course, we're gonna save the doll for last. Let's start with the collector's guide. Here we have a poster of the characters, Phoebe, Sage, and Emily. On the other side, we can see all the dolls in their different collections. Carnival Cuties, Garden Party, and Splash Sensation. Right underneath, it tells you what the scents are. Dolls from the Splash Sensation collection will have sunshine scents. Garden Party dolls will have fresh flower scents. And Carnival Cuties will have yummy treat scents. We're gonna open our first surprise, which is a brush. Oh, but it has a name on it. Oh, that just totally gave it all away. Well, it looks like we have Neela. She has sparkly shoes with little blue wings on the back. The next surprise is a little teapot. That is totally giving me some flying saucer vibes. We also have a sticker. In the next bag, we have, what is that, another sticker? Yep, big hair, don't care. And there's a little bottle of stuff. It looks like a hair product or maybe the scent for their hair, but it is so cute. And I bet it will look great in the dollhouse. I'm trying to figure out what this is in the package, but I have no idea. So let's just open it. And we have a sci-fi dress sticker, glasses, and a part of the stand. Let's quickly assemble that so it's ready for our doll, which we already know is Neela. Whoa, check out Neela. Super fancy. Her hair is different shades of blue and it has tinsel in it. There's a little bit of curl to the hair. There's a lot of hair. It is styled in a ponytail with a braid across the front. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of tinsel, but it is shiny, so I do understand the appeal. She has butterfly eye makeup. She wears a blue butterfly dress with black and white details. I love the wings on the front. They are a little translucent. The pattern on the skirt goes all the way around. Here she is with her glasses. I gotta say, this is a pretty Hairdoreable. I love the dress. Let's find her on the collector's card. Well, I believe she's from the garden party because she has the little teapot. But I'm looking on here. Wait a minute. What? Ultra rare? Neela? Ultra rare? Neela? No way! This is the ultra rare butterfly Neela. Oh my goodness, the first one we opened and we got the ultra rare. This like never happens to me. Now we can place our ultra rare doll in the case. Place her accessories in the storage areas below. Close the case and keep her safely tucked away inside. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. This is the scented series. So she's supposed to have a scent. Let's see. It's a really soft smell. It kind of reminds me of roses. Here is another case from the scented series. If you look at the hair, it's in reverse. We have purple on top, blue on the bottom, and for this one, it's blue on top, purple on the bottom. I wonder who will get this time. We're gonna start with the surprises first, but not the brush. Because we learned from the first one that the brush might have her name on it and give the surprise away. So here we have a purple watering can, the other part to her doll stand, and a sticker outfit. Oh, wow, Toya. I just realized the sticker outfit goes on the case. So we can put Neela's little dress right here. That will help us to know which doll is in the box. So smart. Let's go with this one next. That little watering can was so adorable. I'm really excited to see what this is. And it's a sticker of one of the new characters. I think her name was Sage. Does that mean we have Sage in there? Okay, don't get too excited. We're gonna check out these accessories first. Oh, it's a cute little succulent in a cup. 2 accessories down, 1 to go. Here we have another sticker of Sage. Yep, I think we pretty much know who we're getting. And another little bottle of La Fleur. Here is our last surprise, which totally feels like a brush. And yep, it's a brush that says Sage with a small pair of shoes. Here is the big reveal. Sage! She has a lot of hair. Talk about big hair, don't care. It has a lot of texture. It's 2 shades of green. She wears it in a top knot and the back is down. She wears a floral dress with ruffled sleeves and a vinyl skirt sewn in at the waist. She looks totally ready for a garden party. And she definitely has a floral scent. The smell is a little stronger than Neela's. So there you have it. Our 2 Hairdorables from the scented series. Garden Sage and Butterfly Neela. And now it's time for the hair art series. We have 2 that we are going to open up today. A purple case and a pink case. Oh, look at that. They're already wearing their outfits. Just like the other one, there are 11 surprises inside, but in this series, there are 26 new dolls to collect. There's a blue braid handle on top. On the back, once again, there's a list of the items included. Inside, we can expect to find a collector list, 4 stickers, 1 accessory, a hair extension, shoes, a doll stand, there's a case, and a doll in an outfit. The plastic has a perforated edge in the middle to help us remove it. Let's open the front. and check out those surprise bags. I think this is the stand. Yep, it's the stand, which goes with this. Put the two pieces together, and there you go. Pretty standard. In that surprise bag, we also found stickers, and it looks like we have Cat. Cat is one of my favorite characters because she often comes with a pet. So will we get one with this? I really hope so. Looks like we have a little foam finger. It says number 1. We have another sticker that says Major QT. Love that. And what is this? Oh, it's a giant cat head. I really wanted an animal, and it looks like I'm getting one. I am really curious to see the rest of this doll. It's a giant head. Okay, so in this bag, we have some hair. It's a hair clip that says Cat. We have hot pink hair with some purple details. In our last surprise bag, we have another sticker that says Hairdorables 20 and shoes. They're little paw shoes. It looks like Cat has a cat theme. Now I just gotta see this doll. So let's pull back the wrapper. Oh, she's wearing a giant onesie. It's a little cat costume. It's blue and pink. There is fringe on the ends of the sleeves and around the ankles. There's pink glitter in the center. It's all fuzzy. She has whiskers painted onto her face. There's a little pink on the tip of her nose. Those little shoes are too cute. Her hair is styled in 3 ponytails in different colors. We have pink with tinsel, then we have a blonde and another pink. The ponytails are all going straight down the back of her head in a nice little uniform fashion. The hair is soft, there is no product in them. I did curl them around my fingers just to define those curls. Let's give her the little cat head. Guessing we just gotta put it over her face, like so. Sorry, Cat. There we go. Bear with me for a second. There we go. Add the accessory onto her hand, and she looks like a school mascot. That's adorable. Her hair is perfectly styled for this look. The last time we had tinsel, we had an ultra rare doll. We should check the collector's guide. Here it is. There's a cute little poster on the front. On the back, we can see all the dolls in this series. One collection is called Masquerade, and the other one is After School Fun. Here is Cat in Masquerade. She's not wearing a cat costume, so that's not her. Let's go over to After School Fun, and there she is. Cat's number 1 with a green star, which means ultra rare. Oh yeah! And this is the hair art series, so we can add this little hair extension and change up her look. We can use the stickers to decorate our case, so we always know where Cat is. Inside her case, we have a background for a sports event, which is absolutely perfect for her because she's a mascot. We have one more to open, a pink case with black details. Did you notice their eyes are different colors? Her eyes are purple and hers are kind of like an aqua teal green. The handle is the same color, and on the back, it still says, "Big hair, don't care." I'm really hoping for one in casual clothes because, you know me, I love that casual look. Here is our first surprise, and it feels like a mask. I could be wrong, but it is definitely a mask. It's an orange mask, and we have a sticker of a mask. So this is definitely from the Masquerade collection, which means my chances of getting a casual look now are pretty slim. That's okay. We can get a little fancy every once in a while. This is the other part of the stand. And here we have some stickers. Is that Noah? It totally is. And she's looking pretty casual. Okay, totally excited now. Let's open this one. Inside we have another sticker and some tennis shoes. Purple shoes with painted details. They're totally casual. In this bag, we have, this must be the hair extension. There we go. We can open it from this side. And it's a hair clip that says Noah. We have some peach and blue hair. It does have a plaid print on top. Let's remove the doll from the case. Ooh, pretty background. And here is the doll. Here is Noah with her teal and blonde hair. She has bangs cut right across the front with longer hair on the sides. Her hair is styled with 2 buns on top and long in the back. On the collector's list, her name is So 90s Noah. She wears a gray jacket, yellow top with a honeycomb print in gold. Then there is a plaid shirt tied around her waist, silver metallic leggings, and there are her tennis shoes. The top and the pants are 2 separate pieces, and they Velcro in the back. Here is her hair clip, and this is Noah holding her masquerade mask. And yes, these dolls have the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head. They can turn from side to side. There's movement at the shoulder and at the hip. Overall, I think we have 2 pretty cute characters. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of hair extensions, but I do like that they are removable, so you have options. Pros and cons. For these kind of dolls, meaning small dolls in surprise boxes, Hairdorables have a very competitive price, around $12.88. They come with doll stands, reusable cases, fashion that can be removed, and is made out of fabric. Personally, I think they have adorable face sculpts, fun themes, and a lot of diversity. Their new carrying cases are reusable, so that does cut down on waste. However, those adorable backdrops are kind of small, and with all the hair, they might get covered up. These 2 came with hair brushes, and I would have liked to have seen hair brushes added to this series as well. But I am still a Hairdorables fan, and our girls could just share hair brushes. Let us know in the comments down below if these are a buy or a pass. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Hairdorables Scented Series and the Hair Art Series. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Don't you know that you're beautiful?